Bathrooms. It's as simple as looking at your bathroom and taking a look at how it's laid out. A good rule of thumb is that your plumbing wall is going to be your plumbing wall, meaning that your toilet has to be on that wall, your sink has to be on that wall, and also your tub or shower faucet has to be on that wall. They all have to share. You can't have like a tub here and then a toilet on this wall and then your shower is on this wall. You know what I mean? You gotta have to share that because what it is it's expensive to do plumbing wall. And a good rule for plumbing, if you look at your space planning basic, once you have a plumbing wall, your wall increases to 9 inches. So let's just say, I'm just gonna pretend that I'm gonna put my bathroom at this corner right here, just as a quick drafting exercise for us, okay? So the first thing I do is I'll increase this wall to 9 inches.
Right?
From outside. So I'm just gonna erase this real quick.
Now you do like a gap, okay.
And then I'll do a 9-inch wall. So 9 inches for the wall all of a sudden got thicker, right? I'm just gonna do a quick bathroom and how I would lay out a bathroom. Where's that line? Okay. Here's my wall. A good standard size for your tub or shower is 30 by 60. But you can go big. If it's a standard tub, like what you see a drop-in tub in a normal apartment or like a secondary bathroom, 30 by 60 is a good size. So I'm just gonna draw that. And you can use that also as your shower size if you don't have a tub. But since it's a shower, you can make it as big or as, well, as big as you want it to be. If you want it to be a... Oh, what?
One whole room for a shower.
Oh, yes. Don't do that. You're gonna run out of space fast.
If you were doing like a clawfoot tub, like how would you draft that?
I would, okay, so here, I'll draw
30 by 60.
30 by 60. So I'm just gonna use that as a guide that this is gonna be how big my bathroom is. So this is 60, right there. That will be a good determining factor in how big a bathroom is. And your interior wall is only 5 inches. Okay, so I'll draw a 5-inch wall, which is right there. What's that? Huh?
I said, we got this.
You got this. Okay, I'm just gonna show you a typical bathroom. So I just basically drew an interior wall, right? And I will draw the tub, which is 30 inches wide. Good guideline. This is like a small typical.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you want to do a ball and clawfoot tub.
I was
Fancy.
just curious how you would do that.
Okay, so I would just, this is basically the footprint of that, and you basically draw inside there
Like a
a
circle.
tub.
Oval.
Yeah, and I believe your template has it. Does anybody have the template handy? Your like space planning template handy? Yeah, it's like a,
I'm pulling them out.
it's like one of these.
Oh. This is the plumbing one, right?
Yeah, there's one that's
I'm
a
just
filming.
There.
I borrow that one. So this is at a quarter. See how that one fits? Okay. Wow. So if you have a ball and clawfoot tub, I would just basically try to make your room a little bit bigger. But I would just try to locate it there. But actually it would be the opposite way since I'm going to put my plumbing on this wall.
Because if it's not a clawfoot tub, it would basically just be in the wall.
What about a tub in the shower?
So this
A
would,
clawfoot tub?
Yeah, what is it?
so there's your tub.
It's a tub that's like all like it's not connected to the wall.
Yeah, once you start designing it, we get to tailor all of those
Okay,
things.
Can we just do a spot?
How do you call it again?
You can.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, what'd you say?
How do you call it?
A clawfoot tub.
A clawfoot tub. So it's a freestanding tub with legs.
Okay, French.
Okay? So basically a tub. Now for your toilet, usually when you look at an apartment, restroom, or any really secondary bathroom, you'll have your tub, you'll have your toilet, and then you'll have your sink, right? So a typical clearance between the edge of your tub to the edge of your vanity, where your toilet is gonna go, it's gonna be 36 inches clearance. So I'm just gonna make that line as a guide. So that's 1, 2, 3.
But we have all these measurements in here, right? In the
Not on that one, not all of that one. So I'm gonna have, you guys are gonna have to take notes on this one.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Can you please repeat? Sorry.
Yes. So from the edge of the tub to the edge of your vanity, where your toilet is gonna go, is at least 36 inches.
Toilet in between.
Toilet in between. Yep. So
36.
yep. So I basically just created a 36-inch gap, right, where my vanity will start, but this is where my toilet is gonna go, right? And then so I would just look for the center of that.
Six.
36 inches. Okay,
it's like
so there's
from
the center.
I'm so sorry. You mean 36 is like from here to the end of the toilet, not to the beginning.
Well, to the beginning of the vanity and the end of the toilet, essentially. So just the clearance space for where your toilet goes is 36 inches.
So you don't need to measure the width of the toilet per se?
No, because now you have this is where the template comes in. So then now that I have this drawn, I just locate the middle of my toilet.
Oh my god.
I didn't even realize.
It's not a bidet, okay?
Too bad.
Okay,
What about
so-
if we wanted to add that in?
By all means. Okay? Toilet? Makes sense, right? 36 inches in between that. Okay?
Now, does there have to be space? Like,
It has